Hello ladies, it's Mesa with kinsmade.etsy.com, and I found these spa loofah exfoliating pads at the Dollar Tree. $1. I know, right? So I have an idea for my essential oils. My husband does not like essential oils, and every time he finds my diffuser on, he just quietly goes over and turns it off. So I've been looking for ways to do the passive diffusing, and I did a tutorial for you earlier this week. And anyway, but I wanted to try these. What I have been doing, I found these little saucers at a thrift store, and I think they're meant for sushi. Already has some hard water and stuff in it. We have very hard water. But anyway, I found these like super cheap. They're super shallow little dishes. Kind of useless except for some soy sauce. But I don't know if I want to eat off of them. I don't really know where they've been. So what I've been doing is just putting a cotton round in, a few drops of water, and a few drops of isopropyl alcohol, and then my essential oil. So what I want to do is try something different, and I'm going to experiment with it with you. I have a little berry bowl full of very hot water, and supposedly these are supposed to expand when you get them in water. So I'm just going to drop those in and see how that goes. You can see they are kind of varying little wafers, little widths of wafers, a little dab there. But I thought this would almost act like a reed diffuser, is what my idea was. So we'll just see how it goes. Ooh, that's pretty cool how it's fluffing up. Ooh, it's fluffing up. See if I can, ooh, ouch. Dig this out for you so we could, wow, that's quite a bit thicker than even the thickest wafer here. Ooh, that's pretty cool how that's flaking up. So, ooh, I was not expecting it to be quite that cool. So that's kind of awesome. Anyway, I thought it would look a little more natural if somebody found it sitting in a closet or in a little shelf. On top, we have a little space, about a 4-inch space above our medicine cabinet that I thought I could just set this up there. The light bulbs come on pretty nearby for the vanity. So it might kind of help to warm it up slightly, get that smell going. And I thought I could use a pretty strong oil if we're going to put it, someplace in a closet or in a basement. But, if it is seen, I think that's all it's going to fluff up. Because I think it's pretty saturated and this water is extremely hot. It's like tea, ready to make your tea hot. So anyway, what I'm going to do is just pull it out of the hot water, put it in here. I'm going to add a little bit of alcohol. Oops, and I'm not doing pure alcohol because that will just flash off in a brush. And then I'll go ahead and drop in my Simply Earth cinnamon. A few drops of that. It's already smelling really good. And I will also give you the code if you want to subscribe to Simply Earth's monthly recipe box. You get 4 full-size essential oils, just like this. Each month comes a different set, and then it comes with fun recipes similar to what we've done here for you to execute, make your own little lotions and potions. But make sure you get that discount because that's a $50 discount if you subscribe to at least 5 months of boxes. And they are very useful. My son loves them, and it's teaching us all about essential oils.